Hello students, I Sneha Sharma, your English teacher, welcomes you to your English 1 class. So today we will start chapter 7, that is nouns possession. What do you understand by the word possession? Possession means something that is owned by someone. Like this pencil, whose pencil is this? This is my pencil. Okay, so this pencil belongs to whom? To me. Okay, in Hindi, what does possession means? Adhikar. Okay, so let us move towards the chapter. The teacher asked Rita and Shreya to write whom the following things belong to. So let us see whom. There is a chart over here, it is made. So this is what they wrote. Okay, what did Rita write? Wings of the bird. Okay, then she wrote shoes of the girl, then shawl of grandmother. So now what did Shreya write? The bird's wings. Okay, the girl's shoes, grandmother's shawl. So you can see these highlighted apostrophe s. What are these? These are apostrophe and they show possession. Okay, let us now learn about it. So rules for usage of apostrophe. So when do we use apostrophe? The rules are there. Let us read them. We add an apostrophe and s after a noun to show possession or that there is a connection between two nouns. So we add apostrophe to show a connection between two nouns. Okay, for example, the nest of the bird. Okay, so the nest, bird, two nouns, becomes what? The bird's nest. So this shows the connection that the nest belongs to whom? The bird. Okay, similarly, the bone of the dog. So the bone belongs to whom? The dog. So what does it becomes? The dog's bone. So you see, we use an apostrophe s. The bat of the boy. So the bat belongs to whom? Boy. So again you see two nouns. It is showing the connection between two nouns that the bat belongs to the boy. So it becomes the boy's bat. Okay, this was the first one. Let us move on to the next. We use only an apostrophe. So we use only this apostrophe sign after a plural noun when we want to show that something belongs to more than one person. So plural means more than one. So we use only apostrophe in case of plural noun. Okay, to show that things belong to more than one person. Okay, so let us move to the example. The girl's shoes are in the cupboard. So see, the girl's shoes means there are many girls. Okay, and their shoes are in the cupboard. So here the plural noun of girl ends in s. So you see, girls. So s is there. So we use apostrophe after that s to show that there are many girls. This means that the shoes in the cupboard belong to more than one girl. Okay. Next, some more examples. The teacher's room, that means the room belongs to more than one teacher. The duck's eggs, that means the eggs belongs to more than one duck. The horse's stable, so the stable belongs to more than one horse. Okay. Next, write only the apostrophe with the noun ending in s to show possession. Just now we learned that after the plural noun or after that s already given in that noun, we use apostrophe. You see, dog's bowl. So the bowl belongs to whom? Not one dog, more than one dogs. Okay. However, when we write the girl's shoes are in the cupboard, when we write, you see, girl apostrophe s, shoes are in the cupboard, it means that all the shoes in the cupboard belong to one girl. Okay, so shoes, you see here it is plural, but the girl over here, the mentioned girl is single one, it is singular. So we use apostrophe s, and over here it means that there are many shoes that belong to that one girl. Okay, when a plural noun does not end in s. Okay, so when we have learned that most of the plural noun ends in s, but if it does not ends in s, what do we use? We add apostrophe s to show possession. Okay, so if it does not ends in s, we add apostrophe s. For example, the men's shirts. So men already plural, So to show that the shirts belong to more than one man, we use apostrophe s. Similarly, the children's book, so there are more than one child, so it becomes children, and those books belong to those children. Okay, here men and children are plural, so they are in plural form. That means there are more than one man. Okay, now we will move on towards the exercise. Okay, rewrite these groups of words using apostrophe s in the right places. So one has been done for you, so you have to use apostrophe s in the right place. Like new dress of Kavita, so it is Kavita's new dress, means the new dress belongs to whom? To Kavita. Similarly, neck of the giraffe, so giraffe's neck. So I would request you to complete it in your book. I have done it for you and I am dictating it so that you will be able to understand. Smile of the baby, so baby's smile. Suit of father, so father's suit. So just we have to add apostrophe after at the end of that sentence. So you see, what are we doing? See, Kavita's new dress, giraffe's neck, baby's smile, father's suit, Ishita's ring. See, we have to add apostrophe s. So next, add apostrophe s to the words given in the bracket and fill in the blanks. One has been done for you. So whatever the word is given in the bracket, you have to add just an apostrophe s. So I would request you to complete it on your own, but I will still discuss you this part of the exercise. Okay, now like the first one is done. Our neighbor's lawn is full of beautiful flowers. So neighbors, that means over here apostrophe s. The fig tree over here, so apostrophe s. Leaves are big in size. My father's office is in a very tall building. I am afraid of the owls hooting. So what are we doing? We are just adding an apostrophe s after that words given in the bracket. Okay, those are Kabir's gloves. Please don't touch them. So again, just we added what? Apostrophe s after each word mentioned in the bracket. Now next, what do we have? Add apostrophe or only add apostrophe s or only apostrophe at the correct places in these sentences. One has been done for you. So either you have to add apostrophe s or only apostrophe depending on the sentence. Okay, see, the first one is done. Ria's pencils were lost. So Ria apostrophe s. Okay, then the children's breakfast is almost ready. So where we will add apostrophe or apostrophe s? The children apostrophe s breakfast is almost ready. Okay, similarly, the men's suits were black. So as we know, men is already plural, so we will add apostrophe s. Suits were black. So I would request you again to complete it in your books. Okay, and learn it. Those are my uncle's houses. So uncles as well as houses over here plural. So those are my uncle's, apostrophe after that s. Okay, houses. Okay, that means those houses belong to more than one uncle. Okay, there are many uncles. There is a cake in grandmother's kitchen. So there is a cake in grandmother's apostrophe s. Okay, apostrophe s, the kitchen. Okay, grandmother's kitchen. If it is not clear for you, I will cut it and write over here so that you can understand better. So apostrophe s over here. So this was all for your chapter 7. I would request you to please read the chapter, learn the exercise, and that was all. Thank you.